Car, what's outside?
People. Hi, table. Oh, airplane. Airplane.
You see an airplane?
Airplane.
Say hi, airplane.
Hi, airplane. Airplane.
What else is outside, Car?
People.
And what else?
Airplane.
Airplane. But look, what's on the street?
People.
What's down there? Look.
Taxi.
Taxi. How do you get a taxi?
Taxi.
Hey, Car. Car, what's Mommy's name?
Anna.
What's Daddy's name?
Esther.
What's Nanny's name?
Nut.
What's Pop-Pop's name?
Joey.
What's Grandma's name?
Courtney.
And what's Poppy's name?
Tommy.
And what's your name?
Coco.
And how old are you?
2.
Car, can I see your teeth? Where's your teeth?
Pot.
Pants. No, your teeth. Show Mommy.
Pot.
That's not pants. What's this?
Shirt.
Shirt. And look at what's this? What does Mommy have on?
Zipper.
Zipper. Okay, give Mommy a kiss. Bye. Say see you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye, people. Bye, people.
Bye.
Bye, people. Bye, people.
Bye. You see, what about saying bye to the taxi?
Bye, taxi.
And the airplane. You say bye to the airplane? The airplane's gone. Hey, see you.
Bubble.
Okay, let's go. Bye. You give Mommy a kiss goodbye? Mwah.